Hey guys, welcome to another video here from Binary Bot Real Account. So today guys, it's all about providing you an update as to how our synthetic indices robot has been doing on our account. So as you know guys, we've been running this robot since the 18th of November and we're currently at the 24th. Alright, so that's around day 6 there we are at. And we're going to go ahead and take a look just to see how much profit our robot has made within the 24-hour period. Alright, but just before we jump into the video guys, as usual, I'm going to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button and the like button just so you can be notified every time I release new videos, money making videos such as these. Alright, you don't want to miss out. Alright, so not to make this video too long, like I said guys, as you can see, this is our channel. If I should scroll down, you can see our first video was 6 days ago. Alright, and it's been just consistently growing our account, so make sure if you haven't checked out our previous videos, go ahead from day one and check it out and just follow along with us and just see how we've been journeying and growing our account using this robot. Alright, but let me go ahead and jump over to our MetaTrader 5 here, and just to show you guys what we're looking at for today. Alright, so right off the bat, as you can see on our screen guys, we've made a total of $195 profit using our robot, $195.13 to be exact, using our robot. And this is day 6 like I said, and so far so good. So as usual, you can see those streaks of losses, and our robot works is you're going to see streaks of blue recovering those losses, and the drawdown is very minimum. Like I've said in our previous videos, you know, it tries to mitigate the risk as it opens and plays trades on your account, you know, so that your account doesn't take a huge hit, and also that a lot of market manipulations don't blow your account. You know, a lot of EAs feel at this part, you know, it looks like it's running good, and then swoop, the market comes in and turns, and your EA just can't manage all of that, okay, and blows your account. So basically that's what happens in a nutshell. But yeah guys, just go ahead and check out our previous videos and follow with us, alright, just to see how safe and consistent this robot is. But I want to walk you guys through from day 1 in MetaTrader. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at day 18 here. That was Friday, last week Friday, and see the total. Alright, so it was $108 there on day 1. Alright, walk with me here, walk with me. Alright, $198 there on day 2. Alright, walking with me here guys. Alright, day 20, $189 there. Alright, on day 3. Are you with me guys? Walk with me here, alright. Day 4, alright, that was Monday. Alright, and again, I'm not going to tell you guys what happened, why it only made $9 on Monday. Alright, if you want to find out, go check out our previous videos. Alright, the sauce is in the pudding guys. So if you're interested in this expert advisor and you're really interested in getting it, and you want to know why it only made $9 that day, go check out my previous video. Alright, so moving along guys, this is what, day 4. Yeah, day 4 there, that was Tuesday. It was $121 there on Tuesday. I don't think I had made it run the entire day that day for some technical reasons, internet wise, but yeah, that was $121 there on Tuesday, and Wednesday, which was yesterday, we made a whopping $243 guys yesterday. Alright, so we can slowly see the profits even, you know, going up by small increments as your account size grows. Alright, and that's just the beauty of this expert advisor guys, it consistently grows your account. Alright, here on Binary Bot Real Account, we give you real value for your buck. Alright, real tested and proven money making robots guys. Don't you want to miss out by hitting that subscribe button. Alright, slap it like your life depends on it. Alright, but I don't want to make this video too long guys, running along, and like we said, the final day here, so far $195 in profit guys. So as you can see, we're doing pretty well, and this is day 6 of using this expert advisor. Alright, but here's the drum roll guys, here's the drum roll. We're going to check from the 18th to the 24th just to see how much we've made in total. Alright, in those few days guys, this is not a month, All right, just bear that in mind. And these are consistent, secured profits, not unrealistic profits like floating loss or floating profits or nothing like. These are secured, consistent profits. And we're going to take a look how much this robot made us. All right, in these few days, in these 6 days. Here it is. And that's incredible. $1,076. All right, in 6 days, guys. All right, in 6 freaking days. What more could you want? All right, and it keeps growing and growing. So I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna actually continue this video series so you guys can actually see the consistency of this. But in order for you guys to kind of follow along, you have to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and like this video, guys, so other people can actually see this video and actually know what's going on. All right, this is milking Deriv, guys. This is the real Deriv killer right here. All right, ain't getting no better than this. All right, but until next time, guys, I'm out. Stay safe.